Today on the channel we have Tangens. This one is one that I actually emailed them about and asked to get one in because I saw the specifications, then the price, and thought, you know what, it's a bloody good deal that. And it's one that I haven't seen many creators talking about. This is their Komposition Automatic. Very minimalist box there. Now I asked for the green variant because it's the one with the best range of colour through the dial, but they do have different dial options available. It's got that type of retro inspired look to it. I really do like that, and the angles, definitely something I'm a fan of. But personally, it's about the specification in this one for me. But personally, the one thing that caught me was the movement that they're using, and for the price that they're offering this at. Just checking the functions work here. It is a pull push crown, but we do have 100 meters of water resistance. Let me get this one unwrapped for you to get one in because I saw the specifications. Now, as I did mention, it is an automatic watch. We will cover that shortly. This bracelet is a really interesting one. We know that I'm not a fan of a butterfly clasp, but I think I'm going to be able to get a really good fit on this just because of how short those links are. It's got that almost robotic type of look to it. The texture to that dial looks much better in person than it did on the actual website, on the renderings. I didn't expect it to be so prominent, but I am actually a fan of it. Definitely a more abstract dial to this piece. It is 38 millimeters in diameter, so I expect a decent fit from this one. As I mentioned, it does have a really lovely angled case. It's a very retro looking watch. It is 45.5 millimeters lug to lug and 10.45 millimeters thick. Now that is going to be thanks to the more premium movement that they're using in this piece, and of course my favorite budget movement. It is the Miyota 9039. That's the no date variant. They've actually got a customized rotor on there too. That's really nice to see. I love that movement. It's just the best that you can get in budget watchmaking. And speaking of budget, this one will only cost you £319. I think that's a really good deal considering the more original styling to the case and dial, as well as the specifications, including that rotor, the water resistance, and it does have a good build quality to it. It's got a little bit of weight in there. As I say, that angular case is definitely something that sold it to me. One thing I will say, not everyone will be a fan of this dial. As I say, it's slightly more abstract, especially with the features to the 12 and 6 o'clock. There is a lot of blank space there, but it's definitely different to a lot of other pieces that you see on the market, and sometimes we need something like that just to spice things up. I do wish that the handset was slightly thicker, had a little bit more presence to it, but I feel like they have definitely gone for the more minimalist type of style here. The angular crown, it isn't the easiest to get hold of. As I've mentioned a few times, I don't have the smallest hands. That is going to be a factor, but again, I know I've already said it, I love the angles to this case. It's got that robust, almost 70s, 80s type of look to it, especially when you look into the bracelet also. That defo follows through really well. I am going to get this sized up really quickly and get it on wrist for you. Another note, sapphire crystal, exactly what I expect at this type of price. Not always what we get. Let me get this one on wrist. Okay, and this is it on wrist. Now, I will say, the bracelet with the articulation, it looks fantastic the way that they've done it, but for my smaller wrists, it's a little bit harder to get a decent fit just because of how those links work together. I think if you have about, 6 3/4 inch wrist, this would be perfectly fine for you. Anything below, you may have the same type of issue that I'm having here. That being said, it doesn't fit badly. It works, and I'm definitely going to be wearing this one tonight, but it's something to consider. I think that they have done a really good job here for that £319. The movement alone is impressive at that type of price, considering that this is a micro brand. It is a young startup from what I can see, and to be using that right now, they've done quite well, especially considering they've kept the price that low. Now, if you want to see a full review of this, make sure that you check out the main channel, and that will be out in a week or so.